Hello guys, let's talk today about this digital caliper I got from Amazon. As you can see, it's very easy to use because you can see the measurement here in this display, okay? So basically you can power off and on by clicking here. Comes with the battery here inside, as you can see, right? Already comes with the battery and then an extra one. And then you just close again and it's ready to go. You click 0 to calibrate, so you make sure that it's in the left side here, click 0 and you're ready to go. Start measuring. Let's say, for example, you want to measure something like this one here. You put it away and you can measure it, right? Just measure this external side. And then if you want to measure the internal side, you just close it and open here and you can see it's measuring correctly, okay? So pretty easy to use and you can measure anything you want. Turn on, off, 0 and choose your unit, okay? Pretty easy to use. I'm using this for a while. It works pretty good. I like it and I recommend it.